Meaning of gaucherie.
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 Gaucherie. Gaucherie is a noun that refers to social awkwardness or lack of tact. It can also be described as clumsiness in behavior or manners. Someone who is seen as gauche may say or do things that are considered socially inappropriate, particularly in formal settings. This can lead to social discomfort or embarrassment for the person themselves or others around them. Overall, gaucherie is a negative trait that can hinder one's ability to interact effectively in social situations and form meaningful connections with others.